This is Chef Dede from Rate My Plate on Mzansi Magic. For your hearty harvest time tip, today we're making country mix deep fried tempura. So the ingredients that you're gonna need are flour, carbonated water, soda water would be good for this, bit of butter, cooking oil, paprika, chili, salt, black pepper, and our hero, the country mix veg. Let's get started with the batter. Flour, a little bit of salt, pepper, paprika. Mix it in, create a well in the middle. You use the soda water according to how thick you want it. I see you, batter. Now, just like that, we're gonna grab our heroes. Everything is better in batter. So you wanna accompany them with something really light. So in here, I've just mixed black pepper, buttered and parsley, lemon juice, and some cream. That was your hearty harvest time tip. Country mix deep fried tempura. It's your turn to cook.